In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Steam browser in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the platform, Steam's integrated browser offers a convenient feature for browsing without leaving the application. Let me guide you through the process step by step so you can make the most of this tool. First, let's begin by opening your Steam app. If you already have Steam installed, simply double click on the icon on your desktop or find it in your start menu. Once Steam opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage if you're not already familiar. It's a gateway to an array of gaming experiences, and soon enough it will be your gateway to browsing the web as well. Next up, you'll want to log in. Look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed. If you've used Steam before, your login details might be saved, enabling a quick entry. However, if this is your first time or if you're on a new device, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Always ensure your credentials are secure and unique to protect your account from potential threats. After entering your details, click on Sign In. This will take you directly to your Steam homepage, where you'll see a mix of games you own, new releases, and featured deals. Now let's dive into using the browser feature incorporated into Steam itself. While on the homepage, select any game of your choice by clicking on it. This action brings you to the store page of the game, filled with details, reviews, and recommendations about the game. Pay close attention to the developers section, usually found on the right sidebar. Right-click on the developer's name or website link. This action will bring up several options, one of which will be Open Link in New Tab. Select Open Link in New Tab. Doing so will open up a new tab inside Steam, and you'll notice a small plus icon located next to this new tab. Click on the plus icon and voila, a new browser window within Steam appears. This browser is essentially your portal to the internet without switching applications, all while keeping you within the Steam ecosystem where you can seamlessly switch back to the store or your library. It's perfect for checking game guides, forums, or even streaming content while you game. Just remember, while the Steam browser is convenient, it might not have the full functionality of standalone web browsers outside Steam. And that's it, you've successfully navigated through using the Steam browser. Now explore this feature and make your Steam experience even more interactive and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.